maybe go at it from the other way.
Yeah.
Oh, is someone going down there?
Yeah, there's a few people going down
maybe
there.
go like head that way. Because we can go for a pee anyway, if nothing else.
Yeah.
Just straddle this rutted there and you'll be ready. I just want to see how deep it is, if we can get to it.
That looks quite good if we need to come down it. Can we do sploosh? Go
for it, fuck it. There's Joel's taking photos, so don't hit it too hard because it's right. You might want to try and go a bit right.
I can't.
Yeah, I know, when you get into the water, I mean.
Whoa.
Good sound. Keep it gentle. Oh, you've got a nice wave going. Oh.
We're stuck.
Are you stuck?
We're stuck. Backwards? No. Okay. I think we're stuck. I think we're grounded out. I think we're grounded out on just about everything. Everything sounded like it was dragging.
Yeah. I was wondering if you can try rolling backwards just slightly again. Which mode, if any, have you got it in at the minute?
Snow.
Okay, let's come out of snow into mud.
Yep. Yep.
And we're going to take the traction, the DSC off. It will flash at you a little bit if you do that.
Yep, yep.
Don't worry, that's fine. And then I'm going to try not to get covered in water.
Forwards or backwards?
I would try and go backwards. And we're just trying to go slightly backwards, stop, forward with just a tiny bit more momentum than you've got at the minute.
Yeah.
Straighten up. There we go.
Oh, there. Is that straight?
Yeah.
Do you want me to lock it round, see if I can go back again? Like that way?
Yeah, you can have a go at that.
Ooh, something's catching.
Yeah, there. Yeah, I mean, I'm happy to lean on the front end and give you a bit of a push. It might give you a hand. It does, yeah.
Right, we need the shackle.
You came prepared.
Yes, we've taken the thing off.
Are you feeling friendly, or do you want me to do it? Yeah. I've only got little wellies, this is going to be good fun. Yeah. Oh, it's going to be shame. Oh, geez.
Oh, blimey.
What a gentleman you are.
She offered, she did offer. No, we need to go back a bit more. We need to go back a bit more. I think I've just caught. I think so. But we can try it. On the back. I feel so bad.
He's gonna go straight down and give you a straight pull.
I feel so bad. For you, for him.
Oh, it's fine.
For everything. No, as soon as I started pulling it, it went loose.
Yeah.
And then the back end's caught somewhere. Yeah. And then it went stopped. And I thought, I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be able to drive out.
Mud sinking mud.
Oh, no. I hope no one else is stuck.
It's all part of the fun though, isn't it?
I just hope we ain't doing damage.
Yeah, too late now, isn't it?
I know, that's exactly what I'm thinking.
Do you know how hard it is to find that front point when it's caked in mud?
I can imagine.
I don't need a wee anymore, ironically.
Thank you.
Good luck. Jeez. Step it right.
I can't get. Yeah. Oh no.
You'll be fine.
What, going through that?
Well, you've got no option. What else are you going to do? Reverse.
Yes.
Straight right. That's it.
Perfect. Yeah, so I thought I don't want to go through that again.
Don't go left. You've got to stay straddled this
Yeah.
way.
But we need to go.
Yeah, I know, you need to, but not now. If you go now, you are going to catch badly. Stay right. It's the way I came in. You stay right, so you straddle sort of the middle and then the edge. You let her hold it right, so it'll try and pull you that way to the dip. Well, it's a long way, isn't it?